everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Creations 1. Today we are going to be rolling for a granny square. We're going to use a 20-sided dice, and we've got 20 different yarns picked, which I'll show you later. And then we are going to do 6 rolls to get 6 rounds. Okay everyone, so these are the colors we have picked for our Roll for Granny Square series. What do you think of those? They're all different brands, but they're all the same weight. They're 4-ply, medium weight, or worsted weight yarn. And those are the ones we're using. We are going to do 6 rolls to get 6 rounds. So let's get started. Starting with a 13. Then a 7. Then a 5. 13 again. 17 and 15. So those are our numbers, and we're going to put together that granny square in just a moment. Hi everyone. So these are the balls of yarn that we rolled. So 13, 7, 5, 13 again. There's my cat Phineas. Hi Phineas, look at me. Aren't you handsome? Okay, sorry, 13. No, my fault, I called attention. 17 and 15. So let's get started. Bye Phineas. And this, you guys, is the finished granny square. So check that description. I have all kinds of neat things in there. And thanks so much for watching. Bye now.